Hello guys, it's Xindun again. Today I would like to introduce our production line. At the heart of our manufacturing capability lies a semi-automated production line dedicated high-frequency inverter. This turn process combines skilled human expertise with automated precision to deliver consistent, high-quality output. Each production line is operated by a human or 10 skilled workers. Every inverter undergoes a streamlined assembly process of 15 process steps, which is completed in just 10 to 15 minutes. Following assembly, each unit is subject to a comprehensive battery of 350 computer automated inspections. A rigorous quality check that takes 3 to 5 minutes to ensure long-term reliability. Every single inverter then enters the critical 2-hour agent test phase before it is clear for delivery. This optimized workflow enables each production line to achieve a default daily output of 10 units, demonstrating our strong commitment to both superior quality and reliable manufacturing capability.